Hey guys, welcome to Blabbin' It. It's me, Missy. I would like to talk today about English pronunciation. Many English learners tend to have problems with the vowel sounds in English, especially words that seem to sound so much alike. I have come up with 10 groups of these kinds of words, so you can practice your English pronunciation with me. Please repeat the words after me so that you can practice your pronunciation with me. Saying them out loud really helps. Let's get started. Tuck, 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 talk, 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 tuck, talk, tuck, talk, sleep, 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 slip, 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 sleep, slip, sleep, slip, bit, 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 beat, 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 bit, beat, bit, beat, button, 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 bottom, 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 button, bottom, button, bottom, ship, 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 sheep, 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 ship, sheep, ship, sheep. If you like the way I teach English, check out my Patreon. There are videos, audios, and many tools for you to learn English with me. I have a phrasal verb generator and much more. I have also included podcasts with short stories and ebooks for you to learn more English with me. There are hundreds of posts and a whole world of American English. So join my Patreon now at patreon.com/blabbinit. Race, race, a, race, rice, rice, I, rice, race, rice, race, rice, lunch, 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 launch, 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 lunch, launch, lunch, launch, bin, 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 ban, 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 bin, ban, bin, ban, raid, raid, a, raid, ride, ride, I, ride, raid, ride, raid, ride, ream, 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 rhyme, rhyme, I, rhyme, ream, rhyme, ream, rhyme. If you continue to practice these vowel sounds and repeat the video, your English pronunciation will improve greatly. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. You guys are the best. I'll see you soon. Ciao, my favorite Blabanitos!